Hello friends, today we are learning about mind mapping. A mind map is a diagram used to visually organize information. The purpose of representing your ideas or lessons in the form of a mind map is called mind mapping. Mind mapping is a highly effective way to getting information in and out of your brain. Mind mapping is a creative and logical means of not taking and not making that literally maps out your ideas. It is often created around a single concept drawn as an image in the center of blank page, to which associated represent your ideas such as images, words, and parts of words are added. Major ideas are connected directly to the central concept, and other ideas branch out from those major ideas. One simple way to understand a mind map is by comparing it to a map of city. The city center represents the main idea. The main roads leading from the center represent the key thoughts in your thinking process. The secondary roads or branches represent your secondary thoughts, and so on. Special images or shapes can represent landmarks of interest or particular relevant ideas. Mind map can be created in many ways, but they share the same basis. Central theme. A central theme is placed in a center of blank page. This is the title, the subject, a problem, or just a thought. For example, the image of a colorful bunch of balloons when thinking of celebration. Association. From the central theme, association radiate out. Association directly from the central theme are called first level association. Then second level association are created and so on. The brain thinks by imagination and association. When association are created, connections are made. These connections are essential for remembering and thinking. Curved lines. Associations are often drawn as a curved lines. They are curved rather than straight because the brain likes curves. Proximity. The length of word ideally matches the length of curved lines. That causes associated words to be in close proximity. 7 associations. It means a mind map can have many first level association, but the mind can only grasp about a maximum number of 7 because many association created chaos in your mind. Color and images. The use of color is important in mind map. Researchers shows that people who use color and images in their imaginations when they are learning are better than remembering than those who don't. Now, let's see what are the benefits of mind mapping. First, it enables meaningful learning. Meaningful learning is used to describe when students have acquired new knowledge and have connected that new knowledge to the knowledge they already had. It helps with memorization and retention. Diagrams are more easily stored in memory than other kinds of representational formats. William Martin Davis writes, maps allow the separate encoding of information in memory in visual and well as propositional form. Researchers also found that study with mind maps help boost your retention by 10 to 15%. It improves your productivity. Another takeaway from phrase survey what that one of the biggest benefits of mind writes mapping is that it boosts your productivity. On average, mind mapping software helps busy executives to be 20 to 30% more productive in their work. It ignites your creativity. The final takeaway we will share from phrase survey on the benefits of mind mapping is that respondents said it helps them increases their creativity. In fact, beginner and expert users alike said that mind mapping provides them with a 50% increase in creativity. Thank you.